Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you guys how to clean a toaster oven. And I know this looks gross and disgusting, but I do apologize. But you guys, I thought I should show you guys how to clean this. But I know that some of you do know how to clean a toaster oven, and some may not. But I'll show you. Just taking a damp, clean dish towel and just wiping it down. And yes, I know there's a lot of crumbs here, and I know it's really, really disgusting. It's been a while since I cleaned this. But if you guys have any tips of how you guys clean up your toaster oven, please let me know in the comments below. Sorry, that was my garbage can. Here, let me put you guys down right here. Trying to get these crumbs. Sometimes, normally, if there's crumbs right about here, I would sometimes take the vacuum to it, but I just thought I should show you guys without trying to clean it without the vacuum. But possibility I might have to do that. I think the damp cloth is helping. Yeah, I know there's a lot of crumbs. And as I said before, please let me know in the comments below of how you guys clean your toaster oven. I would like to know as well. Plus, I do like learning from other people. Yeah, I already took out the two racks that were in here in the basket, and that little tray thing that goes on the bottom here. I washed the tray thing that goes right here by hand, and I just put the racks and the basket in the dishwasher, so I have to get those back out. I just like using my toaster oven, and it's a little more handy than using the oven itself. But don't get me wrong, I use both. And yes, I know we have to keep our appliances clean too. Alright, let me go get another rag. I'm just taking a dry rag and just getting the rest of the crumbs. This is so disgusting. So gross. I think I pretty got much of it taken care of. Well, looks much better than it did. Yep. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. And if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and please let me know some of your cleaning tips in the comments below again. Alright, take care guys. Bye. Love you all.